What version of Photoshop has generative fill? So as you can see, when I select something on Photoshop, the option to generative fill comes up on the canvas. So what version of Photoshop do you need to have access to this feature? So let's head over to the Adobe website that's featuring generative fill. And if we scroll down to the options and the frequently asked questions, it will say which Photoshop version has generative fill. You must have Photoshop version 25 installed to access generative fill. Ensure that you're using build M.2181 by clicking help in the Photoshop menu bar and then selecting system info from the drop down menu. So you don't really have to take this into account, it should be working by default. This is only for troubleshooting if it's not working. So from versions 25 and beyond, so if you have 25 or newer iterations, then it should be working. So let's see if generative fill works. I'm going to draw half of a man. So I'm going to draw him. He's got his eye. He's got his nose. He's got half a smile. And he's got his body. And he's got his arm. He's like throwing his arms up in the air. What an amazing drawing. And we got his feet. Like that. We're going to draw a tree, a little background, tree, and half of a sun. So let's fill that in. We've got the ground. Nice, looking perfect. We've got the tree, and for some reason it looks a bit rubbish. My Picasso of the future has not come to fruition. Okay, so we're going to generatively fill this. Now, because it's so basic, I presume that it's going to be quite easy for it. It's generating. Wow, look at that. It's even like drawn the speech bubble at the top, thinking it's talking. Incredible. So we're gonna do this now. So we're gonna select the picture, we're gonna invert it, select inverse, we're gonna fill it again. I wonder what generative fill is gonna draw for 98% of the canvas. I can't wait. My body is electrified right now. Whoa. My Picasso appears to be complete. Let's do it again. Now that is a pile of nonsense. You can sort of see like flowers being inserted in, and it kind of looks like plant fibers now. Let's do it again. Maybe I should print this off and put it on my wall. Who needs Pollock when you've got generative fill? That is hurting my eyes, so we're going to leave it there. I hope this helped.